Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with Peace. So today's recipe is chicken bread in my style without using oven. Those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, like, comment and share with your family and friends. So let's begin the recipe. Firstly, we need to activate the yeast with few ingredients. So in a mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup of lukewarm milk, add 1 teaspoon of yeast and add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it and leave it for 15 minutes. So then after 15 minutes, as you can see, the yeast got activated. Now let's start kneading the bread dough. In the same mixing bowl, add half teaspoon of mixed herbs, which is store bought. Don't skip this vital ingredient as it enhances the flavor. Then add half teaspoon of salt, add half teaspoon of red chili flakes and add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and add 1 whole egg. Now add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix it slowly and start kneading the dough. Now add 1 tablespoon of water and then add 1 tablespoon of oil. So this much liquid is enough to kneading the dough. Knead the dough little hard and punch the dough several times. And now drizzle with little oil and incorporate it in the dough. So now cover with the damp muslin cloth. Let it rest for 2 hours. Meanwhile, we will make chicken stuffing. In the chopper, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and add 200 grams of chicken in it and give it a pulse and chop it or mince it and keep aside. In a pan or kadai, add 3 tablespoons of oil and add 2 medium-sized onions fried until pinkish in color, and then add half tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Fry it for a few seconds and then add minced chicken. Mix and saute well. 1 teaspoon or 1 green chili chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Saute well and then add half cup or 1 capsicum finely chopped, 1/3 cup of fresh coriander leaves and close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. And just saute it for 30 seconds and close the lid and switch off the stove. Now let's check the dough. The dough has raised to double the quantity. As you can see, it looks so soft. And again knead the dough for 5 minutes and punch the air out and knead it once more. Add more flour if it is too sticky. Shape the dough. Divide the dough 3 portions to make medium-sized breads. Take 1 portion of the dough, flatten it between your palms and using a rolling pin and roll it into a oval shape. Now place the oval shaped sheet of dough vertically in front of you on the working counter. With the help of a knife and pizza cutter, make cuts from 1 inch away from the edge to the end of the edges with a gap of 1 centimeter. So make sure the cuts are even. Now spoon some filling in the center and add grated cheese and oregano as you wish and start braiding. As you can see, fold the top and bottom of the dough and starting from one end and start braiding each pair of strip, overlapping till you reach the end. Now it's ready to bake. Place the bread on a greased baking tray or you can use baking paper and do egg wash. That is 1 whole egg and 2 tablespoons of milk. Beat it and apply on the bread. Garnish with sesame seeds, white or black. Here I have used onion seeds, that is kalonji. Here I have already preheated the pressure cooker with 1 cup of salt for about 10 to 15 minutes and keep some rack on it and bake it for 30 minutes or until the crust is golden brown in color. So now meanwhile, take the remaining dough, make 2 circular sheets of the dough and roll it. And keep 1 small portion of the dough for braiding and keep aside. And fill the enough chicken stuffing on the sheet and close the other sheet of the dough. Meanwhile, brushing the egg wash in between on the bread. With the small portion of the dough, again divide 3 portions of the dough. Spirals and thin it like this. Start braiding the dough with the help of your hands. And keep the braided dough and fix and press it on the chicken sheets and give it a gashes in between the chicken sheets with the help of a knife and bake it for 40 minutes or until golden brown in color. Let's serve the chicken bread. It looks so nice like bakery style. Now let's taste it. And it was so delicious. Here I am going to brush the another chicken bread. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of melted butter, add 1 chopped garlic and add few fresh coriander leaves and add half teaspoon of mixed herbs and mix it and apply all over the chicken bread and bake it until golden brown. Now it's ready to serve. Let's cut the chicken bread and taste it. It was really very delicious. So do make it at your home and enjoy with your family and friends and enjoy for iftars or as a snack or even a dinner. Follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram. Happy Shaban and advance happy Ramadan to all the Muslims around the world. May everyone stay happy and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.